Dun 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 dun. Mabuhay bestie and welcome back to my channel. Today is the Valentine's Day and I decided to spend it with the one I love the most. My favorite person in the world. Myself. I'm here in Bintan, Indonesia. It's actually my first time going here. I just checked in here at my hotel. It's also Chinese New Year in a few days, so mag-extend ako ng ilang araw kasi holiday sa Singapore. Going here, it was just a 1-hour ferry ride from Singapore, and then from the terminal, mga 10 minutes na bus or 10 minutes na shuttle. So it's not bad. It's masaya. So before anything else, you already know the drill. Please like, share, comment down below, literally anything. And if by the end of this video you loved it, then share it to your loved ones. If you hated it, then share it to your enemies. Like I always say. Without further ado, let's get to the video. Boom. Yan, so sobrang simple lang nung kwarto. Ito yung bathroom. May pa-bathtub siya ng very, very light. Hindi ko alam kung ba't nila ako binigyan ng dalawang kama. Mag-isa lang naman ako. So siguro yung isa tutulugan ko. Yung isa, ewan ko kung anong gagawin natin dun sa isa. And then this is my view. I got the garden view. Nasa kabilang side yung dagat. Sa ngayon, inaantay ko lang yung kaibigan ko na mag-text kung nakasettle in na siya. Let's see where life takes us for this trip. Actually, for me, I brought 2 books with me because I'm ambitious like that. So feeling ko makakatapos ako ng 2 libro on this trip because I'm here at this hotel for 4 days and 3 nights. Let's see kung anong paandar dito sa Bintan. Abangan natin yan. Ang goal for this trip ay magsaya. Sabi namin gusto namin ng Zen weekend. Pero nakita namin may party dun sa isang beach club. So, ewan ko kung paanong Zen yun. Hashtag pray for our liver na lang ang mangyayari. Okay. And tapos na ako mag-nest. And feeling ko mag-explore na lang muna ako ng amenities. Dahil yung besi ko ay matutulog muna daw. So ako muna mag-isa. Let's explore this resort. Let's go. Hello there. We are out and about. Saan ba yung araw? Yeah. This is the rest of the resort. As of now, I'm trying to locate the hotel bar. I could use some drinks. Plural. So ano ko minom? Masama ba yun? You know what I want? I really want a tequila sunrise. Or just a basic beer na may tequilang kahalo. Yes. This is really. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome my Bazzy. Ay, oh. Dito na siya. Nakaidlip na siya. Please welcome Tracy. Palakpakan. This is your debut appearance ha, sa vlog ko. Sana ready ka kasi from now onwards, makikilala ka na kung saan-saan ka pumunta.
Alam?
Like, kukuyugin ka na ng mga tao kasi
Grabe,
nakita ka
iba.
nila sa vlog ko.
Sobrang nakaka-privilege na ma-feature sa Den.
It's here. Thank you so much.
It's pray love daw.
Thank you.
Oh, I think I like that also.
Okay, can we get
Can
another
we get
one?
another one?
What about the binta?
I'll get that. No, I have to.
Oh, you have to?
Thank
Thank
you.
Zen
Zen weekend daw! Magbabasa daw ng libro by the beach! Cheers! Kasalukuyan po namin sinifigure out yung 2-piece niya. Kasi hindi namin alam kung paano itatali sa likod. Feeling ko ito, sis.
Oo nga, pero
Teka, sige.
how?
Howla?
Hindi ko alam. Mother?
I guess, wag ka na magpantaas. Yun yung pinaka-safe na approach.
I
Wag
think
mo
yun
nang
na
iyan
talaga.
yung pantaas.
Pagbigyan na natin ng taong bayan.
Yeah.
Maririnig pa rin yan kahit wala kang mic. Ay, si ate ko. Vlogger nga. Parang feeling
Ayan na
ko
yung
naririnig.
another one. Yes.
Thank you po.
Thank you. How do you say thank you again?
Terramakasi.
Terramakasi. Terramakasi. Thank you. Cheese. Tequila sunrise.
This is my
First drink. I-figure out natin yung two-piece mo. Hindi.
Dapat ganito kasi. Ganyan dapat.
Hindi siya pa cross. So, dapat iaalis mo to. Tanggalin mo siya. I guess I'm not gay enough for this. Oo, so ito. Tama lang pala.
Oo nga. Okay.
Paano mo tayo papasok, te?
Pero, he's not gay enough for this.
Hindi, kaya natin to.
Actually,
Di parang yung isang episode, pag figure out lang nung two-piece mo. Yan. Ipapasok ko na. So, ayan na. Napayo ko na siya, girl.
So, dapat
Okay. Yes. Yan. It's like this. Ibababa pa natin siya, di ba?
Kailangan ibaba. Ba't parang nasa taas? Dapat nasa baba siya.
Tangi kasi ng joga mo, girl. Eh, alam mo, let's ano na lang. Let's... Ang pangit ng likod. Tingnan mo naman yung kinalabas.
Okay, enough!
Sis, baka... Hindi, sige, ma-figure out natin yan. Kaya natin to. Tawagin mo nga yung waitress. Baka alam mo.
Anong ko figure out na?
Baka day 3. Yan, sis! Ayun na! Alam mo, tayo lang maingay dito sa resort na to. Paano nangyari yun? Hold on. Lalakihan ko pa yung ribbon. Medyo malapit na siya sa realidad eh. Terry!
Kung may lumabas, pala ng kayo dyan, guys.
Mag-rash guard ka na lang.
Uy, not bad yung sand! Not sure.
Yay! We made it to the beach. Sis, get in here!
We made it!
Ikot. Mga nakawala sa syudad. Hindi pa kami tapos magtali ng swimsuit. Sabi ko sa'yo, sis, mag-rash guard ka na lang. We made it to the pool bar. Ano pa lang, time check, it's only 6:30 p.m. And tonight, pupunta kami sa isang beach club. Now, check lang namin yung vibes. Tapos uwi na kami ng mga 9. So may mga friends pa kami ha. Pero kasi nag-i-English sila eh. So mamaya-maya na namin sila kikitain.
If we can speak Algo translate.
Sis, pa-trending mo naman. Pakita ka naman ng utok mo. Baka mag-trending naman. Sobrang fresh lang.
Ay, face card eh.
Eto. Hindi na titikla yung face ko talaga. Good morning! Taas ng energy. Siyempre, pag bakasyon, nagiging morning person tayo, di ba? Para mahabol ang breakfast buffet. Kaya, this morning, nakapag-workout na ako, nakapag-almusal na rin kami. Yun lang naman ang gusto kong gawin dito. So yun, please excuse my very messy room. Okay naman kagabi, sinubukan naming maghanap ng party, pero iba talaga dito sa Bintan. So kung pupunta kayo sa Bintan, ibahin nyo yung expectation nyo. Hindi siya Bali. Maybe we were just looking at the wrong places, pero wala talaga kami nahanap na party. For today, wala akong balak gawin. Maybe mag-wakeboarding with my friends. Kasi may mga kasama akong friends sa nasa ibang resort and ibang room. So mag-wakeboarding kami this afternoon. Yeah. So for now, I'm gonna head off to the beach, read my book, and drink. Dahil yun naman ang priority natin dito. So, yes, let's go. By the way, nangyayari na yung kinatatakutan kong mangyayari. Napapaligiran ako ng mga magjojowa. Ang lahat ng magjowa dito pumunta sa resort na to. Kung bakit, hindi ko alam. Parang ako lang yata yung single sa resort na to. Anyway. Anyway, trying to look for my spot dahil gusto kong matapos ang aking libro. And I have my Epictus over here. Okay, so meron kaming isang oras para mag-nap at mag-freshen up dahil apparently magwa-wakeboarding kami. At hindi ko alam kung paano ko yun gagawin. Ngayon na medyo tipsy na ang bestie nyo. Look at that. Ano ba? Medyo sunburn na ba ako? Mabuhay! Kakatapos ko lang mag-nap at si OA may dalang blender sa bakasyon. Napakasaya. So nagdala ko ng kale powder and my whey protein and a beetroot powder. Dala din ako ng chia seeds. So we're gonna make that smoothie para malakas tayo sa wakeboarding. I would love to have blueberries. Pero of course, I don't have blueberries. Let's blend this bad boy. Okay, dinner's ready. See, this is what I love about this blender. It's so portable. Pwede mo siyang dalhin sa bakasyon mo. And you can just be like, you can just bring it with you anywhere you want to go. I even bring this to my office. That is so good. Okay, now we're ready to head out. Let's go. It's gonna be my first wakeboarding attempt ever. At excited na akong sumemplang-semplang. Soldier down, soldier down. Okay, we're waiting for our ride to the wakeboarding park. And I have my friend here na medyo tulale.
No, I'm normal.
Sis, nakailang drinks ka na nga?
It's only one coconut.
Na malaki. One na malaki. So, ang pinira kasi nitong besi natin ay coconut na may vodka sa loob. Na maraming vodka. Because one thing about this resort, medyo generous sila sa alcohol content on their cocktails.
Yeah, and it's gonna hit you treacherous. That's the alcohol.
Nilalabasan na yung mga big words niya. May pa-treacherous na si mother.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody.
Kakarating lang namin dito sa Treasure Bay, which is like a 5-minute grab ride away from our resort. Yvonne, say hi to my vlog. This is Yvonne. You're gonna be famous after this. Bitch, I don't think I can do that. Okay, if he fell, then that's me 2 seconds in.
Sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need no.
Okay, I'm up next. Please pray for me.
You can do it!
Then keep it straight. Hold it. Don't pull. Don't pull. Straighten your arms. Keep it. Keep it.
Making plans so fast we get worried as when no one knows just how we want it. Going left, going right, doesn't matter tonight. Just how we want it. We want it. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We can party all night long and sing along to every song.
Ayun, ginabi na kami, pero masaya naman yung wakeboarding.
I love it.
Yeah, hindi namin in-expect na medyo magaling pala kami sa wakeboarding,
Yes.
right?
Hold it. Don't pull. Don't pull.
Small things.
Small things, malit na bagay. So sa ngayon, kaming dalawa ay pupunta muna sa hotel kasi ubus na yung English namin. Ubus na yung English namin sa mga kaibigan namin. So mag-recuperate, mag-recharge muna kami. And then we'll meet them again for dinner tonight. For now, we're heading back to our hotel. I'll see you maybe tomorrow na. Hindi ko na kayo isasama kasi baka delikado.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow! Ayun, inulan tayo. So, kasalukuyan akong nagsisequester dito sa nahanap kong cottage. Okay naman, isa lang ako. And nawala na yung mga tao dahil nga umuulan. But at least I found a spot where I can peacefully finish my book. This book that I have been reading. Yes! So my plan is to stay here for the next 5 hours maybe. And hopefully finish the book. Just chill muna tayo dito. Yehey! Tumigil na yung ulan. Salamat sa Diyos. Sabi nga nila, the sun will come out tomorrow. So you gotta hang on till tomorrow. Charot. So nakakadalawang oras na ako dito sa cottage na to. Nakaka-6 na chapters na ako dun sa libro na binabasa ko. So I just wanted to take a little break and update you, all of you 1 million subscribers of mine. So this is the best Monday ever. I truly feel like I was born to be just by the beach. Do you know what I mean? Look at this. This is my view right now. This is what life is supposed to be like. Ang daming kuda. Welcome back sa Makuha Ka sa Tikim sa Tikim. Eme. Officially nag-uwian na yung mga kaibigan ko. Bestie Tracy, I'm so si Punks. Charot. So now, simula na ng aking official solo time. Ang ending, 5 oras ako dun sa shore na nagbabasa at nagsa-sound trip, which is the best. And how life should be spent. And ang bala ko for this afternoon, mag-beach run. So we're having my pre-workout smoothie. Alam niyo na kung anong nandyan. Here we go. Saya. Saya dahil. I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna go for a run. Okay, bye-bye. Mabuhay. Kakatapos ko lang mag-shower. Iba talaga tumakbo sa beach. Na initially dapat 5K lang. Pero sobrang napasarap ako kasi. Kaya naka 11K ako. So sa ngayon, nag-room service na lang ako kasi medyo tinamad akong lumabas. Kaya si Bading nagyaman-yamanan. At panoorin nyo na lang ako mag-mukbang ngayon. Kainan na! Gusto ko sana magpamassage tonight, pero hapdi nung balat ko. Parang ako nasunog talaga. Ewan ko, baka magbasa na lang ako sa shore. Or something else. Charot! By the way, today is Chinese New Year's Eve. So iniisip ko, kailangan ko bang manatili hanggang 12 midnight? Mamalasin ba ako kapag alas 10 pa lang ng gabi, tulog na ako? Ewan ko. So let's see kung may mahanap ako dito na New Year's Eve party. Which is, I think it's very unlikely. Good morning. Ayan, para ako nasa panaginip. Late na ako nagising. Bahala na kayo mag-interpret. So, susubukan ko mag-request ng late checkout kasi ang ferry ko to Singapore is 6:30 p.m. So, mahaba-haba pa yung oras ko dito actually. So, marami pa akong kailangan gawin and unfinished business. Although ngayon medyo gloomy. Okay lang siguro kasi kota na ako sa sunburn. So, okay na din siguro na wala ng araw masyado today. Friday, I just keep them satisfied. This is probably one of the best bridges in the history of R&B music. Here we go. In what I go when there's no one around me. I don't miss no ex, I don't miss no text, I choose not to respond. You like 9 to 5, I know you can okay. Make it. I wish I was a normal girl. I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. I can't keep my panties from dropping. It's so fly, fly. Yeah. Living so good, living so good, living so good. Okay, 4 o'clock na. Grabe, ilang oras ako dito. Right now, I'm headed to the bistro. Meron pa akong isang oras para kumain bago ako sunduin ng aking bus to the terminal. So, let's go. Ang ganda ng cup ko, no? Let's go! Okay, one more look. Say goodbye to the view. Bye, view! Okay, on to our last meal on this beautiful island. Love it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let's eat. Inaantay ko na lang yung bus going to the ferry. On track naman tayo sa 6:35 na alis. I think that's about it. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, share, everything. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye! Ayun, nandito na ako sa ferry. Nakasakay na ako. Alis na daw kami within 10 minutes. I got myself a really nice window seat. Pero pumesto ako sa tabi ng CR. Dahil ang sabi, medyo maalon daw. So, please pray for me. Kapit na lang tayo sa inhaler. Meron ako inhaler dito eh. Ayan. Sana sapat na to para protektahan ako sa sakunang paparating. Charot. Ayun lang. Alam ko nagbabay na ako pero gusto ko lang i-share. Okay, sige. Babay na talaga. Next time on Den. Nice. Tabi-tabi po. Tabi-tabi po.
Oh, yung laki!
That's what she said. Kung may turo tanga. O, pupunta pa daw kami ng night market. Na good night na ako sa mga subscribers ko. Ito na yung part na buwis buhay. Buti na lang laki rekto ako, sis.